your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer EVO820CG is a powerful and efficient juicer that offers a range of benefits to health-conscious individuals. This juicer is designed to extract maximum nutrients and vitamins from fruits and vegetables, making it an ideal tool for those who want to improve their health and well-being. One of the key features of the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer is its ability to extract more nutrients and vitamins from fruits and vegetables than other juicers on the market. This is because the juicer uses a slow and gentle squeezing process that minimizes the amount of heat and oxidation generated during the juicing process. This helps to preserve the nutritional value of the fruits and vegetables, ensuring that you get the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in every glass of juice. Another important feature: it is made with BPA-free components. BPA, or bisphenol A, is a chemical that is commonly found in plastics and can leach into food and beverages, potentially causing health problems. Using BPA-free components ensures that you can enjoy your fresh juice without any worry about harmful chemicals. Cleaning is very easy. The juicer comes with a special cleaning tool that makes it simple to clean the machine after use. The components of the juicer can be easily disassembled, and they are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer is also ultra-efficient, with a powerful 240W motor that can easily handle even the toughest fruits and vegetables. The juicer also operates at a very slow speed of just 50 RPMs, which helps to ensure that the maximum amount of nutrients and vitamins are extracted from the produce. In addition to juicing, the Kuvings includes a smoothie and blank strainer, allowing you to make a variety of healthy drinks. The smoothie strainer is perfect for creating delicious and nutritious smoothies, while the blank strainer can be used to make frozen desserts or baby food. Finally, a stylish champagne gold color will complement any kitchen decor. The machine is also compact and easy to store, making it an ideal choice for those who are short on space in their kitchen. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone who is looking to improve their health and well-being. With its ability to extract maximum nutrients and vitamins, BPA-free components, easy cleaning, ultra-efficient operation, and versatile strainer options, this juicer is sure to become a valuable addition to any healthy lifestyle.